August 14 marks the first death anniversary of ace investor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Fondly remembered as the Big Bull, Jhunjhunwala had deep conviction that this is India's era and that the mother of all bull runs was ahead of the domestic stocks. All his wisdom has turned out so true. So let's look at the key holdings of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala on the first death anniversary. If we look at his total investments in the listed space, that is worth close to 37,500 crores as of yesterday's closing. That's only the listed stocks which I'm talking about. In fact, in the last year, 1 year since his death, there hasn't been much churn in his portfolio except for the 5% stake sale in Rallis India that they sold to the Tata Chemicals for a deal worth close to 200 crore rupees. So that was a big stake sale there. Apart from that, let's look at the top holdings of Rakesh. The top holding is Aptech, where he owns close to 45% stake. Star Health, he owns close to 17%. NCC owns close to 13% stake. Nazara Tech 10%, and Metro Brands he owns close to 10%. There are some other holdings as well, which includes the names like Geojit Financials 8.2% stake, Viatech Vabag he owns close to 8%, Agrotech Foods he still owns close to 8% stake, and of course we spoke about Rallis where they sold 5% stake. But the two big holdings of his where he's made a lot of wealth, that is CRISIL, he still owns 5.5%, and Titan he still owns 5.4%. All the holdings that I've seen or I've mentioned are above 5% stake. But you know, as Rakesh was Rakesh, his Midas touch continues in many of his holdings as well. So look at the stocks which have done really well in this last 1 year. All the stocks have rallied between 25 to 140% in this 1 year itself. So which has been the big performing stock? The big performing stock in his portfolio has been NCC. That stock is up 140% in the last 1 year. Viatech Vabag close to 108%, and Aptech has also rallied close to 90% in the last 1 year. But his big faith was on Tata Group stocks, and even those have done really well and rewarded him handsomely in the last 1 year. The big stock in that group, in the Tata Group, was Tata Communications. That stock has appreciated more than 50% in the last 1 year. Indian Hotel is another stock which has appreciated close to 42%. And Tata Motors, that's been a big outperformer for him, not only in the last 1 year, but in the last many years as well. Last year it is up 28%. But if you look at Rakesh's holding, he was the first to turn bullish on Tata Motors a few years back, and since then the stock has appreciated more than 6 times for Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. But there are some stocks as well which have given negative returns in the last 1 year. Of course, we spoke about Rallis where he sold a 5% stake. But apart from that, Star Health and Jubilant Ingreva, these are the two names where the stocks have down almost 10% in the last year. But broadly, if you look at his wisdom or the Midas touch, that continues with his portfolio as well. So yes, it's been 1 year since he's not with us, but his legacy will continue for many years to come.